So today I actually did start off with a protein smoothie. It was a mango banana protein smoothie. I did use some grass-fed milk, but the protein that I use is plant-based. It's like plant fusion. It's really, really great. It's got over 20 grams of protein. So doing a little bit of an experiment today with nutrition in my body and to test my limits. I've been eating a whole lot of food, high calorie, for the past 2 or 3 weeks, and I've been able to get over 80 kilograms, back in, almost 180 pounds, which is where I need to be really, and I feel great. But I want to try like a little fasting today, a little liquid fast. So I haven't had any solid foods yet. Even for lunch today, what I did was one banana and a half a banana, then I put in a couple of scoops of chocolate ice cream, another scoop of the chocolate protein that I'm using, and then I put, that was it. And then I just blended it all up, drank it. Now boom, I'm out here, I'm doing pretty well. It's a beautiful day, just sharing it with everybody. And we got that beautiful solar panel back here, check it out. So nice. Gonna probably get a couple more of these because they've really been helping out with the water right now, and soon the irrigation system and having a water pump. And I'm just overwhelmed that 2020 is exactly what I said it was going to be from December 2019. I told all of you out there to get started teaching English online. Don't procrastinate. Don't wait around on completing your profile. Just get it done. It takes less than an hour. Really does, on Palfish. So do what you got to do, but don't make excuses if you're not where you want to be in life. And the way to get where you want to be in life is, first, be grateful for what you have, And the next thing is, people say that money can't buy happiness, but money can definitely get you out of difficult situations, can definitely get you into new opportunities and places that you never really thought you could go, even past your own previous dreams and imagination. Something up here is living proof, as evidence. As someone who's been through the hurdles, slept in a car, I'm not gonna even get into all that stuff right now, but just having a really wonderful day, and I hope all of you out there can feel these good vibes, these positive vibrations, the positive mental attitude. It's all about optimism in this life. This whole thing could end tomorrow. This whole virus thing really exposes the whole system, for in so many ways. But it really ultimately proves to me that the visions that I had, staying close to what God told me to do, led me to a sustainable place like this. And I'm not even dealing with the quarantine like most of the world's dealing with, because I'm enjoying the life. I'm enjoying the day. I'm out here having fun. I'm not bragging about that. I'm not rubbing that in anyone's face. I'm just showing you what's really possible when you put your head together, you get your body strong, you learn how to improve your communication skills, your online rapport. You don't do what everybody else is doing. But like Tai Lopez said, there's going to come a time where maybe you listen to 100 people, but there's going to be that one person in 100 that you hear from, that you listen to, that you really need to pay attention to. And those little conversations, those little drops of knowledge can steer your whole life into a different direction, So don't be afraid to be yourself. At the same time, understand and be honest with yourself what you're really good at and how you can impact other people's lives. Because if you're not making an impact in other people's lives, if you're not solving people's problems, then number one, you're not going to get to where you want to be financially. You're not going to get to the places that you want to be in life. You're not going to have that satisfaction and that fulfillment that you're really searching for. So, we distract ourselves with everything. We distract ourselves with more videos. We distract ourselves with social media. We distract ourselves with whatever BS and drama is going on in the world and in people's lives. And meanwhile, the people who are really changing the game, getting out there, are really moving things forward with their life. Especially in times like these. This is the easiest time to get ahead. The easiest time to get ahead right now. So This life is what you make of it. Let's get out there and get it. If you have a question, let me know in the comments section. I got nothing but love for everybody out there all around the world. Ever since I started this YouTube channel, all the people, so many different countries, like over 30, 40 different countries, people watch these videos. So I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to check out these videos, to check out my message. And I'm going to keep uplifting. I'm going to keep that inspiration flowing. And I don't care what the critics got to say, because I'm going to do it my way. Just like you should do it your way. Don't be arrogant. Don't be ignorant. We're all going to learn from our mistakes. What I was at 22 is way different than from what I am now at 33. And when I was at 29 and 30 is way different than what I'm now at 33. Okay, you feel me? You follow? You got it? Hit that like button if you like these videos, by the way. And subscribe to these videos. Subscribe to this channel. I just want to see people win. I want to see people get what they want in this life. And be practical about what you want and foresee in your life. You can have the wildest imagination and the wildest dreams. And that's necessary to live an incredible lifestyle. But you also got to be practical about how you can do it in this world, because this world doesn't operate the way you want it to. You know, you got to understand the way that this universe works, the system, the way your nation is, you know, the way your market is, whatever type of industry you're involved with. For me, it's online ESL teaching. And I'm just going to keep developing and growing my teaching hours and have fun with it. And then get out here in the beautiful sunshine, got a beautiful mountain in the back. This is what life is about, that freedom, that satisfaction that you get. Okay? So everybody out there, take care of yourself right now. Stay healthy, stay strong, and let's move along. Adios amigos y amigas, pura vida y todo en el mundo. I'm really happy today, really feeling it. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much.